Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. C. Homi J. Bhabha. D. C. V. Raman. The capital of Odisha is A. Cuttack. B. Bhubaneswar. C. Puri. D. Sambalpur. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Neptune. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. C. Subramania Bharati. D. Sarojini Naidu. The currency of Japan is A. Won. B. Yen. C. Yuan. D. Ringgit. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Kosi. D. Gandak. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? A. P. V. Sindhu. B. Mary Kom. C. Karnam Malleshwari. D. Saina Nehwal. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Tarankan, the Chipko movement is related to A. Saving water. B. Saving forests. C. Saving animals. D. Saving energy. The first battle of Panipat was fought in A. 1526. B. 1556. C. 1761. D. 1707. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort? A. Akbar. B. Jahangir. C. Shah Jahan. D. Aurangzeb. The atomic number of oxygen is A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. D. 12. Who is the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Rajendra Prasad. Which state is called the Spice Garden of India? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Assam. The headquarters of ISRO is located at A. Mumbai. B. Hyderabad. C. Bengaluru. D. Chennai. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Fleming. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Thomas Edison. D. James Watt. Which Indian cricketer is known as the Little Master? A. Sunil Gavaskar. B. Sachin Tendulkar. C. Kapil Dev. D. Virat Kohli. The smallest bone in the human body is A. Stapes. B. Femur. C. Tibia. D. Ulna. The Quit India movement was launched in A. 1930. बी 1940, सी 1942, डी 1947। Who is the current President of India 2025? A. Ram Nath Kovind, B. Pranab Mukherjee, C. Draupadi Murmu, D. Venkaiah Naidu. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? A. Jaipur, B. Jodhpur, C. Udaipur, D. Bikaner. The study of earthquakes is called A. Meteorology, B. Seismology, C. Geology, D. Oceanography. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. The book Discovery of India was written by A. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Warren Hastings, D. Rajendra Prasad.